time. Okay, let's pack up and drive to PEI. 12:20. We're ready to hit the road.
Yay! Sachi's ready. Yeah, time to leave Toronto.
Yeah.
Woo! This is my wife Jackie. This is my wife Laura. And this is our life.
Alright, I'm driving the first leg and we just got on to the highway. So I'm gonna drive for probably like 5 or 6 hours. Laura's gonna sleep. Then we're gonna switch. And then we'll do that again, and again, and again. And then we'll be there.
I've been driving for 4.5 hours, pretty much since we crossed into Quebec. Now I'm taking this on-ramp right there. We're going to New Brunswick. Classic Tim Hortons on the road. Merci.
Merci.
That's what Sachi really wants. This is also on tap for breakfast. Boiled eggs with this little mini chipotle sauce. There's no little. Get out of the bottle. Come on. Look at this beauty road. No one on it. Look at those clouds. What do you think, wifey?
It is a wonderful day for a road trip to New Brunswick. We've been driving for 14 hours.
Yes.
What have we done?
Nothing.
No, we ate lots of awesome snacks.
We ate every snack. No, we didn't eat every snack, but we have had sushi, peanut butter on toast,
Apples, protein bars,
yeah,
Twizzlers,
Yeah.
cream stuff in the middle,
gluten-free Oreos,
Oreos, chocolate covered almonds, dark chocolate covered raisins,
gummy candy,
gummy candies,
veggies,
and fun dip.
hard-boiled eggs.
That's 11. Okay.
Okay, so we've done
A lot
nothing
of
but eat
snacks.
the whole time. We passed through the New Brunswick
Yeah.
checkpoint. Like, they did a good job. They're very well organized. Stopped by the New Brunswick police.
It was fast, too.
We had pre-registered, so we did our pre-screening online, which printed us out with some number that we gave to them, and they basically just checked that through and sent us on our way, which was really good. So that was a great tip. So we're gonna get gas and get Starbucks and take Sachi for a walk, and we have to be very careful here.
Let's move on. How's your Starbucks, Laura?
It was so good. Highly recommend going to Starbucks if you've never been before. You'd think that they're everywhere, but they're not really in Quebec. But very happy to have one more Starbucks before we isolate for 2 weeks. We passed the checkpoint. We're driving on PEI, the island of PEI, and it's good to be back.
Yeah. Now, our last drive for 2 weeks before we quarantine.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even consider that.
That's it.
We're here! I already have a bug on my face.
We made it!
We made it!
Yay! Okay, well, we're here. here. This is where we'll be for the next 2 weeks.
Sachi, what do you think?
She's stoked. Okay, let's unpack. So we got here last night and checked out the house where now we get to quarantine for the next 2 weeks in this beautiful place. And outside is gorgeous, check it out. What I'm gonna do right now is turn this awesome screen porch into a place where we can hang out. Okay, so here's what I think. I think I'm just gonna bring everything in here and then kind of see what I got and go from there. And should we add lights? Yeah, we should probably add lights. Okay, lights work. I brought all of the furniture in here, and now Laura's gonna take over and finish setting up the chaise lounge and the projector. Well, this is one awesome way to end an epic road trip. We're gonna have a barbecue, we're gonna watch a movie and screen porch. What a sunset. Thanks for driving to PEI with us. This is where we'll be for the next 4 weeks.
4 weeks, if not longer, who knows? We're going with the flow. From island to island.
From island to island. We will be bringing you another video next week from PEI.
For anyone who hasn't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the like button for this video.
All right, well, have a good week. We'll see you later.
Bye.